Hi, I'm Eman, a university student majoring in business studies, and one of the courses I'm taking this semester is finance theory. It's super interesting, but at the same time, definitely a lot to take in. Thankfully, I've got Class Buddy, and it's honestly made this so easy for me. Here are 5 ways I'm using Class Buddy this semester. First off, Class Buddy has helped me stay on track when I miss a class. You know how sometimes you just can't make it to lecture, whether it overlaps with another event or you're just drained? Instead of falling behind, I just ask Class Buddy what was covered in class that day. It gives me a quick rundown of the main points and shows me which readings were referenced to. It also gives me the link that my assignments are at, so I don't need to go digging through Canvas to look for them. It's not just catching up, it's like I never miss the class. Another big one is when something in class just doesn't click, I go straight to Class Buddy. Like during one lecture we were discussing capital structure and the professor went deep into it, but I just didn't fully get it. I didn't want to ask and slow things down for everyone else, so later I just asked Class Buddy. It broke it down in plain English with extra focus on the parts that I was confused about. It was like having a professor explain it just one-on-one. Also, I'm a big procrastinator. I tend to study at 1 a.m. But at the same time, at that time, no one is replying to emails, right? Most of the times I hit a topic that I just need clarity on before I lose my rhythm, so I ask Class Buddy. It responds instantly, gives me just what I need, and I can keep going. It's like having help whenever I need it, no matter the hour. Another way I use Class Buddy is to quickly review my assignment before submitting it. Like last week, I almost forgot to include a key reference, but Class Buddy reminded me of that. It's basically my academic safety net, especially helpful for those last-minute submissions when my brain is fried and the deadline is close by. And then there's the quiz feature. When I'm prepping for midterms or just want to make sure that I actually understand the material, I ask Class Buddy to quiz me. It gives me questions based on what we've covered in class and even adjusts based on what I'm getting wrong. So it's not just random, it's super relevant and tailored to my course. It's honestly helped me feel way more confident going into exams, especially for courses like finance theory where there's a ton to remember and comprehend. Honestly, Class Buddy's become my go-to for everything school related, built right into Canvas, our learning management system, so I don't have to jump between tabs or apps. Everything's in one place. What I love is that whatever I ask, it's responding based on actual material my professor has uploaded, so I know the information is legit and specific to my class, and not just some random internet answer. It fits how I study, how I work on group projects, and yeah, even how I procrastinate and then panic before a deadline. Class Buddy has just made my college life so much easier.